Today let's quickly learn how to manage multiple states in Phaser. I'll open index file. I have linked the Phaser library in the header of my HTML file. Now I'll create another folder called states wherein I'll store the state files. So this time around I'll be separating the global game object variable creation to another file called main.js, and I'll let Phaser decide the game renderer it needs to use, that is WebGL or Canvas. In this file itself we will be adding states, so I'll store this file as main.js. Now I'll create my state file, the first state file, that is menu. So since this is a state file, I'll be storing it inside the folder states. I'll call it menu.js. I'll design the prototype now. I think I'm fine with just the create method. I'll remove this preload. I'll take two variables, text1 and text2, to display two options. Basically I'll be displaying two colors, that is blue and red. Upon clicking any one of those, it will take to its respective states. So I added an option called blue. Next I'll be adding a text at 10:30 and I'll call the option as red. Let's add the state here, game.state.add. I'll call it menu and the state code is technotip.menu, and I'll immediately start our first state, that is menu. Now I need to even add this to my index.html file. Before closing body tag, I'll add my main.js file, and after the Phaser library we need to add all our state files. Now let's look at it in our browser. So we have two options, that is blue and red. Let me align it further. So now I'll enable input to both text1 and text2 options, and upon the event, that is on input down, we will be calling a method called blue. Let's call it blue, by the way. I'll do the same for text2 now, and we will call the method as red. Now let's define the blue and red methods. Once someone clicks on the blue method, we will take him to a state called blue. Let me write the state blue now. We'll design the prototype. We will simply display a background of blue and then a text called menu to just go back to the main menu. So we'll do it to the center of the game world, center X and center Y, and let the text be just the menu with a white color. Now I'll even enable input to this because we need to take the user back to the main menu once on input down event occurs. We'll be calling the method go, inside which we will invoke the menu state. And as we already said, we will make the game background blue. Once the user clicks on go method, we will take him back to menu state, that is this.state.start menu. We will do the same to another state, that is red state. Let's change the background color to red, and everything else is same. We'll be adding now the blue and the red states to our main.js file, and make sure to add these state files to our index.html file. Now inside blue method call blue state, inside red method called red state. So there are no errors. And once we click on it, well, inside menu.js, let me make the game stage background color to black. Now everything works as expected. Oops, background color C should be capital here. Yeah, now everything is working fine. So I'm showing it very quickly, so the code to this and extra notes is present on our blog. Visit our blog, the link to which is present in the description section of this YouTube video. You will get the entire source code and extra notes on this. Please stay subscribed to our YouTube channel and to our blog, and please share this video with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, StumbleUpon, Google+, etc. And do not forget to like this video on YouTube. Thank you.